Hello and welcome to my video. How are you guys and what are you up to right now? So in this video we will talk about our ESS or all-in-one energy storage system. We call this Venus X. So in this Venus X we will first of all we will talk about the physical appearance. So we can get an white and black, beautiful white and black colors, and the height of this machine is about 1656 millimeter, and we can also get an width. So the width is like 600 millimeter, and we also have a 210 millimeter diameter, and we can also get an LCD display on this, and we can get different buttons on this LCD display. We can monitor the voltage and capacity and temperature and such kind of all things on this LCD display, and we also have a logo of our company on this LCD display or on this machine. So we divided this machine into three parts, and first one is our inverter, and lower two compartments are for batteries, and the inverter is 5000 watts or 5 kilowatts, and it's come with 3 years warranty, and we can also get 5 kilowatts to batteries, so each battery is 5 kilowatts. So this inverter this battery come with 6000 cycle life. So one cycle is equal to 1 day, so we can use this for up to 16 years, and also it's come with 10 years warranty as well. And also we have also the material used in this inverter or in these batteries are very good quality, that is very safer and reliable as well, and we can get and safety measurements as well. So we can get built-in fire extinguisher, so when the temperature will go high, and the built-in fire extinguisher will start working by itself. And we also have an BMS system. So this BMS system or built-in or battery management system work for overdischarge, overcharge, short circuit, and high temperature, so it will work for such kind of all these things. And we also have UPS ability in this, so it will convert into battery during a power outage within 10 milliseconds. And what else we have in this? We have the material used is very good quality, and we can install it very easily. So our company will also provide you installation video, and it's really easy to install, and it's also compatible with all kind of other brands like Grovate, Victron, Goodby, and such kind of all other brands, and we can get 10 years warranty with it as well. And we can also charge these batteries with the grid. So we have an AC input over here. So with this AC input we can charge these batteries, and also we can use this AC input to our household load, so we can easily connect it with our grid as well. And also the solar panels provide DC current to this, and this inverter current convert this DC current into AC current, and we can use this AC current to charge for our household load. And also this DC current we can charge this can use the power of these batteries to our household loads. And this one is our Venus X all-in-one machine, and it's an off-grid system, and it's an off-grid system, and it's come with 10 years warranty. So that's all about this Venus X. If you guys have any question, you can contact us, and we will be very happy to answer your questions. Thank you.